In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a thin line here in Canva. Now, first of all, you're going to need to know how to add a line. Now, there's a couple of different ways we can do this. One way, we can come up to the Elements section just here, and then we can come down to Shapes. Now, if we click on there, we can see we have all of these different line options. Now, what we can do is just choose the one we want like that. Now, what we can also do is just use the keyboard shortcut, which is L on the keyboard. So if I go ahead and click on L, it's going to add a line just like this. Now we can already see that this is a pretty thin line. So to make this even thinner, we want to click onto the line, come up to the toolbar just here, and then click on Line Styles. Now once we click on there, this is where we can play with the line weight. Now this line is pretty thin anyway, but we can make that even thinner by decreasing the bar just here. Now it looks like we can only go down to 1, but as we can see, that is a really thin line. Now if we click back on there, we can play around with that. That's the wrong one. Let's go back. Let's click back onto the line, because if we click on there, we can actually make that really thick as well, just like that, or as thin as we want. Let's make it round about there, because we can also play it with styles with a few different dash options. There's this one, and also this one. We can also change the colour of the line as well by clicking just there and then choosing the colour that we want. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a thin line here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.